play some games, bro.
Why are you like this?
Be the gondola monkey.
Whoa! What? Did he follow you? Oh, he ran away from you. How do you catch him with the net underwater?
I should. Oh, that's how.
What'd you do? Shoot him?
Yeah. See?
Oh, that's sick. You caught Bruno.
Bruno?
Bruno Mars.
It's cool he was like a little gondola monkey.
Hey,
I bet there was a monkey in here.
Marvin. It's your cousin.
Oh.
Your cousin Marvin. You know that sound you've been looking for?
Look.
Look. Look. Look. It's like,
Got him.
it's like,
It was Lilo.
and Stitch.
Yeah.
Bum, bum, bum. I like the little fucking, the chime in it has.
What? What are you talking about? Alright, Alex. You can do it. How do you go under? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, I have an air meter.
Yeah, dude. You think you're not a robot today? You need the air bubbles. Who's driving the boat?
It's like a Disney ride.
Somebody still drives the boat.
It's a small world. Oh, jeez.
What
Oh, the
was
camera.
that? Get him!
Chili.
Jelly! Answer the phone.
No.
Fucking hit you!
Fuck out of here, monkey. This game's easy, dude. When's this get hard?
Oh, Danny boy! Danny
Why are you
boy!
singing that?
Because his name was Danny boy.
Oh, it was?
Yeah. Just
like
go on
fucking-
the air. I'm going. Get him. He's gonna be on top of the fountain.
He is?
Yeah. Hats. Oh, I was right.
All done. Bidet?
Or is it bidet?
You know what a bidet is?
No, that's a bidet.
Do you know what a bidet is?
The thing that sprays your asshole.
Yeah, dude. You know how, it's
I've always
funny.
wanted to use one of
You
those.
never use one?
No, when do I have the chance, Alex?
Some Chinese places have them.
Well, like
Like nicer ones.
where? Like P.F. Shanks?
No, like King's Walk.
That's not a bidet. That's a sink.
And you know what's cool is if you sit on it like you're supposed to, like with your feet facing the wall. If your face facing the wall.
It'll clean your vagina.
It shoots your wiener. Okay, no, I don't want
What
to go to
happened?
Ah!
You did it again!
This is the speedy thing. Holy shit, dude, I can smell that.
I didn't
God. Look at this. Woo!
Oh, he's like, look at you see that? He's like, no, please make it stop! Make it stop!
Yeah, dude, I love it. Meow.
Level 2. Level 2. Look, you can exit right there, dude. Jesus Christ.
It's harder than you think.
No, you don't get a gold star.
Hey, guinea pig.
Hi, guinea pigs!
Dude, I love the guinea pigs.
Yeah, that's cool, dude. That's cool, though.
Okay. Wait, why the fuck don't I have my hula hoop now?
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always
you Google it?
lying?
Really
What?
quick, Google it.
Google what?
Ape Escape 2, how to like get gadgets. Cause look, how am I gonna catch the fucking Speedy Gonzales monkey without the hula hoop?
Quickly! Quickly! Rapido! Rapido! You could have caught him.
Oh, he tripped. He tripped.
Billy. Oh, Billy. Oh,
Google
I'm doing it now,
They're all
Billy.
blue monkeys.
Blue, get him! I threw bananas. What am I looking up? How to Equip what? What am I looking up, dude?
How to like equip gadgets. Sure, it's like super obvious.
And
Look, dude, he dropped bananas for me to walk on.
Monkey ball.
No, it's Ape Escape.
2.
It's Ape Escape. Please type in Ape Escape.
Just point the right analog stick there. Oh, it's the club.
What?
Nothing.
Come on, motherfucker!
Press the L3 and R3 buttons. That's the fetal position. Look at that.
Why?
I don't know why.
Is that just like the I'm really frustrated and...
In a position... In this position, you're virtually invisible to monkeys, but unable to move.
Wait, I told... What? That's not what I asked you to look up. Why the fuck?
Looking it up, chill.
Well, what the fuck? You told me to do that? I thought that's how you fucking...
I don't know, dude. Maybe you just fucking answer the phones and you figure this shit
Fuck
out.
off, dude.
It's not... They're not telling me. How do we gadgets in Ape Escape 2? Where is it?
Oh, I got him.
You didn't get the ring. Just lay in the fetal position. He fell! Get him! Oh, come on. He's fallen. Come on.
Hey, I'm running out of cookies here, dude. Gotcha.
Wow.
That's it, right?
No,
Times
6 more. Ah!
Trip.
Yeah, he did. Well, I mean, he did trip.
Oh.
He has one comment.
Oh, God. Who is it?
Probably Travis.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Does he know?
Yeah, I told him. Hope. Who knows?
Well, he can't hear us, so.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how to do it, bro. So just.
He has a shield. 5 more to catch. No bee stinger. If I go with that. Yeah, if I go with that. Oh god, do I need to? Jesus, that's me. I just did that. Oh god, dude, what the fuck?
How do you view comments?
What?
Oh man!
Anything that came up on the capture?
Yeah, I can see the vibrations on the pickup.
What the fuck am I? What is this? Alright, I'll read the phone. It's gonna be like hula hoop around the.
You have been collecting your cookies. Look at those cookies in the upper left of the and when that happens, you lose a luck when you're off to a dangerous area.
I need you to go into a dangerous area. Get your cookies!
Oh, I see, dude. I probably just have to.
Ow!
Oh, alright. Can I go through here? Is there a monkey in there?
Ow! No, you gotta slide up it. I mean, you gotta go up to the top. There's a button at the top.
Really?
Yeah, really. Look. See that on the wall?
That's a button.
I think so.
How the hell do I get over there then?
You have to go all the way back and jump.
I think I need the hula hoop, dude.
No, you don't, Alex.
Okay.
They wouldn't make it an optional thing if it wasn't mandatory.
Why? I get the
Jump up and slide down to slide. See the next one down there?
I think I can.
I told you to jump. Fall off the edge. Ow!
There's like a slight delay on it. That's why I gotta get used to it.
Yeah.
I'm serious.
Oh yeah, slight delay in my booty. Ow!
Fuck. Because I have a double jump. They're better. There's like not even a monkey in there.
Ow! Ow!
I wish I had the fucking hula hoop.
And just quit out and get the hula hoop. What? Jump up. You jump down. You're jumping now. You're jumping up. Listen. No, you listen here, Bucko. Listen. Jump. No. Reset that way. Left.
2?
Left.
Oh, you.
Left. Oh my fucking god!
I can't control it once
Just jump up!
Dude, Travis is probably like, what is this guy?
Oh my god, bro.
Why can't I fucking jump again? God damn it!
3?
3? Nate? He's subscribed to me.
god, too bad.
What? It's not like they can hear us. There's something interesting.
Oh, get it!
Dude, and that's just the first one. I need... There's no way. I need the fucking hula hoop.
Get the hula hoop then. It's probably on the other side of the hula hoop. Viva España! You fucking idiot. How do I equip? How? You just run! Oh!
X is the jump button.
Ow! Ow! Why are you using it up there? Get on the little platform. Go. No, not down. Oh my god.
Okay, so that is not...
That's the radar. There's a monkey in
I
there.
want to make sure that there's a monkey in there. So what the... maybe I could just hula hoop across it.
That's what you're supposed to do. You fucking idiot. Just go. Yeah. Hey, dude, get 10 more.
I think if I...
Now slide down.
Is this a boss?
I'm sorry.
Oh, look!
Get the thing, and then he'll stop the matador. Get the matador, and he'll stop the bull.
Well, I mean, I can just catch him. I wanted to watch him do that, though, kind of. Oh, there is a guy in there.
Oh.
Are they eggs?
Ow! Ow! Oh, that means you one more before he breaks, dude, because he went from green. Oh, he's got a button on his butt! Hit his butt button! He's got a little butt plug, dude!
Look at this.
Oh, like a floating ballerina. Oh, get the cookie! There goes the cookie. You gotta kill him. Use the radar, make sure there's a monkey in there. Why'd you bring the radar? I was kidding! Why don't you use the fucking... use the speedy thing and speed into his butt. See?
It's not even green.
Because he's gotta poop. Green light means enter, black light means no, no, no.
Oh, God, no, don't kill me. I just need to win. No more fucking on, I just need to win. Oh, I bunked him.
Now top bunk him.
What is happening? Alright. What are we at time-wise?
12.
12?
Yeah.
Alright, next time on, Monkey wins! That's it.
Monkey wins.